Good afternoon. Today, I would like to focus on the trade, which showed the strongest change within the last 7 days. And this is on the short-term market of the China to South America East Coast trade. What you do see over here is the rated development over the last 15 months. And this is at the moment the short-term market average. Yeah. And as you're fully aware, I believe we talked about this earlier, end of last year, beginning of this year, because of IMO 2020 and Chinese New Year, the market peaked to a quite high level on the short-term market, yeah, which ended up at a level of roughly 2,750 US dollar. Since that time, we've seen a strong decline, where you all are fully probably aware of, and the low end on the average, what we have seen, which was end of April, was roughly $1,260. One point is always important: how does this now develop from year to year? What kind of rate level do we have seen last year at the same time? Because as you see over here, the market picked up last year as well from June onwards and kept on a quite high level during the summer. Yeah. And if we just compare now the price levels of last year with this year, look, last year in May, the market was at a level, an average level of 1,200 short term, yeah, and at the moment we are at 1,530. So we are $300 higher, or roughly 30% higher compared to the same time last year, yeah. And this is mainly related to the latest rate increases which we have seen over here, because before those increases happened, end of September, it was mainly the same rate level what we have seen compared to last year on this trade. Last year just increased by June. This year we have already seen the increases in May. One important question is always, do we see this kind of increases on all pricing levels, high and low as well? So therefore, I would just refer now to the last 3 months, what you do see over here. And as I said, the market went down steadily. And if we, for example, show now the market low, so the market low went up as well. Yeah. Beginning of May, it was still around somehow 665. And now we are roughly at 1,050 US dollar. Yeah. The interesting part is always, does this level remain stable, or do we see even further increases? This is for sure related to the general rate increases, which are usually announced well in advance. And then we can see later on if those kind of increases will be enforced fully to the market. Yeah. We should also check the high end of the market, and that's quite interesting, as at the high end we haven't seen anything. So therefore, it seems to be difficult to push for even higher rates, as the market high is already at a level of 2,700. Yeah, so there was nothing really changing. Yeah, and this is something which is quite interesting all the time, because on many other trades, usually when increases happens, yeah, those kind of increases are happening on all levels. Yeah, not only on the average and mid-low, but also on the high side. Yeah, so that means at the moment what we do see over here, the market low, roughly 1,000 US dollar for 40 feet container. Yeah, the surcharges as usually are included, subject to THC both sides. Yeah, the average at 1,530 currently, and the high end at 2,700. This is what we check regularly, really, to see how are the rates moving. And for your major trades, this should be checked as well, because probably sometimes you face difficulties with additional volumes you need to ship. Yeah, what kind of rate level is then justified when you have to go out and ask the market for prices, or can you still book more than your MQC? Yeah, if this has been already fulfilled for 1 week. Yeah, so all this is something where you can have a look into our short-term market to really see what is going on in this kind of environment and what are your suppliers telling you. Yeah. If you have any other questions, just reach out to us. I wish you a great day and see you soon.